Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with stabilizer jacks, backup camera ready, LED exterior lighting, spare tire, power tongue jack, flip down travel rack, double step entry, outside speakers, outside shower, outside storage, vanity with sink, sofa bed, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, 3-burner cooktop, shower skylight, pleated shades, over-the-range microwave, tire pressure monitors, walk-around queen bed, overhead storage, USB charging station, windows at each bunk, mini blinds, stainless sink, TV mounting bracket, high-rise faucet, closets on both sides of the bed, front bedroom, LED interior lighting. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.